Hi guys, welcome to Terminal 1. It's me again, L185, in my workbench. Today I'd like to show you something that's very special. It's a project collaboration by LVG, or Lovis Gear as we all know it, and Iron Blades. If you're not familiar with Iron Blades, it's family owned business in Victoria, owned by Rob Herbert. He's a very well-renowned knife maker here in Australia. If you guys aren't aware, please check him out. Also, Lovis Gear. Lovis Gear creates specialized gear for hunting, tactical, and outdoors. And he's really good at this game. Yeah, so let's get into it. So this Fieldmaster knife is designed by Lovis Gear and brought to life by Iron Blades and commemorated to the Commando Welfare Trust. So this project is very special. All the proceeds that came from this project will be donated to the Australian Commando Welfare Trust, and where the funds will be used to assist our warfighters and their families after over 20 years of combat operations. And yeah, so let's get into it. So obviously the box has been previously well, not the box, but the bag was previously opened by my my daughter. Thought it was a toy, but yep. So let's get into it. Got their logo there, and oh, nice. Thanks, James. Appreciate this. Go with the minties first. Good. So yep, so here we go. We'll gonna open this. Nice packaging. That's cute. So yeah, yep, nothing, all good. Ooh, nice. That's cool. It's got a good weight into it. Yep. That is beautiful. That is fine craftsmanship right there. Wow. G10 scales, 4.2mm thick S35 VN steel. That is nice. Fieldmaster. It's a tracker style blade, full tang. It's got that thumb ramp right there. Overall length is approximately 256 mils. Flat blade segment approximately 65 mils. Got a forward jimping for control during finer tip cutting tasks. That is beautiful right there. Even the Kydex in it. LVG signature camouflage pattern. That's beautifully made, man. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful right there. Wow. Fine craftsmanship by Iron Blades, and the design from LVG. That is beautiful. as well. Number 25, 0001 was donated to the Commando Welfare Trust and was auctioned on one of their events. And number 2 to 25 was for the supporters of the project. That is beautiful right there. The proceeds of this will go to the families of our beloved commandos. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so here we go.